Hello everyone. Welcome to my new Excel tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you an amazing trick using the function keys in Excel. Many people manually calculate totals like this. But this is an old and time-consuming process instead of doing it manually like this. You can select the data from where you want to calculate the total and use this method, which is faster and smarter way. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus F3, and once the dialog box appears, check the top row checkbox and copy the month-wise data. You'll see the magic happen instantly. I hope you find this trick helpful. If you do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips.